You made it. You finally hit the 700 credit score. Something a lot of people dream about, but few actually achieve. And let me tell you, as someone who spent 15 years in debt collections, 8 years in credit repair, and helped thousands of people get into the 700 club, I know exactly what it takes. I am Jermaine, and I've seen firsthand how a 700 credit score can open doors. But I'm also here to tell you it's just the beginning. In this video, I'm gonna break down how a 700 score can change your life, why your credit profile matters even more than your score, and how my 212 credit repair method can launch you into the 740 plus range and beyond. Plus, I'll show you how you can join my private community where we do this together step by step. Let's get real. Hitting 700 is a big deal, especially if you've been grinding your way up from the 500s or 600s. I've been there myself. I remember the first time I cracked 700, thinking I was about to get every perk in the book. But when I walked into the bank feeling like a boss, they still turned me down for that premium travel card. That's when I learned 700 is just the entry ticket. It's good, but it's not great. In the credit world, lenders think in tiers. A 700 score gets you in the room, but you're still in economy class. The real VIP treatment, the best rates, the best cards, the best deals start at 740, 760 or higher. That's the difference between paying off your house early or being stuck with extra payments for years. It's the difference between a basic vacation and a luxury one. And that's why I always tell my clients, don't settle for good enough. You worked hard to get here. Now let's take it to the next level. So this is the first big unlock. Your wallet's new best friend, interest rates. Here's where the math gets real. I've helped thousands of people see just how much money they're leaving on the table by stopping at a 700. Let's break it down. Car loans, right? With a 700 score, you're looking at an average investment rate of around like 6.70%. But if you push that score up to 780, you can get a 5.18%. On a $40,000 car loan, that's the difference, or $1,680 over 5 years. That's real money. Money you can use for a vacation, a new laptop, or investing in your future. Let's talk about mortgages. This is where the gap explodes. On a $400,000 mortgage, a 700 score might get you about a 6.75 interest rate, while 760 plus can get you at 6%. Over 30 years, that's a difference of more than $70,000. That's a college education, a luxury car, or a serious boost to your retirement. And here's the thing. I've helped people in my private community go from the 600s to the 700s and then to the 760 plus using my proven 212 credit repair method. That's 2 revolving credit cards, 1 installment loan, and at least 2 years of positive history. It's that simple. It's powerful and it works no matter where you're starting from. So let's get into the VIP treatment, unlocking premium products and perks. This is what you guys want to hear about, so let me explain that to you. Now, let's talk about the fun stuff. A 700 score gets you in the game, but a 740 plus or a 760 score gets you into the VIP lounge. I'm talking about elite travel cards like the Chase Sapphire Preferred or the Amex Platinum cards that come with a huge sign-up bonus, airport lounge access, travel credits, and more. Now let me tell you guys something. Did you know that your credit score can save you hundreds, even thousands on car and home insurance? I've seen clients in my community cut their premiums in half just by boosting their scores. With a higher score, landlords are fighting to get you as a tenant. No more crazy deposits, no more co-signers needed. But here's the secret. It's not just about the score. Lenders and landlords look at your profile, the mix of accounts, your payment history, your credit utilization. That's why my 212 method is so effective. It doesn't just boost your score. It builds a profile that gets you approved for the best offers every single time. If you're ready to stop guessing and start winning, check your credit score and profiles right now. Join my private community where you'll get step-by-step guidance, live Q&As, and access to the Credit Complete Pro and Debt Negotiator Pro, both of my programs. Plus, you'll get a free Zoom call with me when you sign up for credit monitoring. It's just $29.99 a month. And yes, I do make a $10 commission. I've helped thousands get into the 700 club and beyond. Now it's your turn. Now here's the real flex. When you have a top tier credit profile, life just gets easier. You walk into dealerships or leasing offices with confidence, knowing you'll get approved, and probably for less money down. No more anxiety about applications, no more big deposits for utilities or cell phones. You have option. When you're in the high 700s, you can negotiate. I teach my community members how to call up their credit card companies and ask for lower interest rates or higher limits. When you're a premium customer, they want to keep you happy. That is the real power. Getting from 7 to 760 plus isn't magic. It's about strategy. My 212 credit repair method is the blueprint. So let's break it down. You're gonna wanna have 2 revolving credit cards. Keep your balances low. Under 10% utilization is a sweet spot, but I recommend 0%. 1 installment loan. This could be a car loan, a student loan, or a personal loan. Make those payments on time every time. And then lastly, 2 years of positive history. Time is your friend. The longer you maintain habits, the higher your score climbs. But remember, this is so key, you guys. Your profile matters as much as your score. Lenders want to see a healthy mix of accounts, low balances, and a clean payment history. That's what gets you the best offers, not just that 3-digit score. So, in closing, a 700 credit score is a huge achievement, but it's just the beginning. Don't settle for good enough when you can have excellent. With the right strategy, the right habits, and the right support, you can unlock a whole new level of financial freedom. If you're ready to take your score and your life to the next level, join my private community today. I'll help you build a winning credit profile, negotiate your debts, and reach your biggest goals. Drop your credit score in the comments. Hit that subscribe button and don't miss our next video. I'm gonna break down the step-by-step playbook to go from 700 to 800 and beyond. You've built the foundation. Now let's build the skyscraper. If you have any questions, put them down in the comment section. I promise I'll answer those questions. And like I always state,